Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Elastic Beanstalk, part of our AWS DevOps series. Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service, or PaaS, that simplifies deploying and managing web applications on AWS. In this video, we'll explore what Elastic Beanstalk is, how it works, and why it's an excellent choice for developers who want to focus on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. So, what exactly is AWS Elastic Beanstalk? It's a fully managed platform as a service that allows you to deploy and scale web applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Think of it this way: you simply upload your application code, and AWS handles everything else. This includes provisioning servers, configuring load balancers, managing scaling, and monitoring your application's health. It's designed to remove the complexity of infrastructure management so developers can concentrate on what they do best: building great applications. Elastic Beanstalk comes with several powerful features that make application deployment effortless. First, it offers quick deployment, allowing you to get your applications up and running in just minutes with simple code uploads. Second, it provides automatic management, handling capacity provisioning and load balancing without any manual intervention. Third, it includes built-in health monitoring, giving you real-time insights into your application's performance and metrics through AWS CloudWatch. And finally, despite all this automation, you still maintain full control over the underlying AWS resources, meaning you can customize and fine-tune your environment whenever needed. One of Elastic Beanstalk's greatest strengths is its support for a wide variety of programming languages and platforms. Whether you're working with Java, Python, Node.js, PHP, Ruby, .NET, or Go, Elastic Beanstalk has you covered. It also supports Docker containers, allowing you to deploy containerized applications with ease. And if your application uses a custom runtime or framework, Elastic Beanstalk supports that too. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for teams working with diverse technology stacks. To understand how Elastic Beanstalk works, let's look at its core components. First is the application, which is a logical collection of all your Elastic Beanstalk components, including environments and versions. Second is the environment, which represents a running version of your application deployed on AWS resources like EC2 instances. Third is the application version, which is a specific labeled iteration of your deployable code that's stored in Amazon S3. And finally, there's the platform, which is the combination of the operating system, programming language runtime, web server, and application server that your code runs on. These components work together to create a complete deployment solution. The deployment workflow with Elastic Beanstalk is incredibly straightforward and consists of just 4 simple steps. Step 1, you write your application code locally on your development machine. Step 2, you upload your code to Elastic Beanstalk using the AWS Console, Command Line Interface, or API. Step 3, AWS automatically deploys your application by provisioning and configuring all the necessary resources, including servers, load balancers, and databases. And Step 4, your application is now live and accessible to users. This streamlined process can take your application from development to production in just minutes, dramatically reducing deployment time and complexity. Elastic Beanstalk offers 2 distinct environment types to suit different application needs. The first is the web server environment, which is designed to handle HTTP requests from users. It includes a load balancer to distribute traffic, auto-scaling capabilities to handle varying loads, and EC2 instances to run your application code. This is the most common environment type for web applications. The second type is the worker environment, which is optimized for processing background tasks from a queue. It uses Amazon SQS, or Simple Queue Service, to manage task queues, handles long-running or resource-intensive tasks, and doesn't include a load balancer since it doesn't serve user requests directly. These 2 environment types can work together, with the web server handling user interactions and the worker processing background jobs. Let's wrap up by discussing why you should consider using Elastic Beanstalk for your applications. First, It enables faster time to market with simplified deployment processes, allowing you to launch applications quickly without complex setup. Second, there's no additional charge for using Elastic Beanstalk itself. You only pay for the underlying AWS resources your application actually uses, making it cost-effective. Third, you retain full control over your infrastructure when needed, with the ability to access and customize any AWS resource that Elastic Beanstalk provisions. And fourth, it provides automatic scaling based on your application's demands, ensuring optimal performance during traffic spikes while minimizing costs during quiet periods. In summary, Elastic Beanstalk is perfect for developers who want to focus on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. It abstracts away the complexity while still giving you the power and flexibility of AWS when you need it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video of our AWS DevOps series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.